Good afternoon, ngayon po ay May 29, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 29, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, May 29, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 29, 2026, Friday. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, May 29, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 29, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.